Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best neon face paint is probably one of the most exciting ways to express yourself. Whether you're gearing up for a rave, Halloween, or just a fun night out, this stuff is designed to make you glow. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of neon face paint, exploring the best products and what makes them stand out. Number 5. Kamado Joe Classic Joe 218 Ceramic Grill. This is the Kamado Joe Classic 2, a premium 18-inch ceramic grill. It comes with a cast iron cart and locking wheels. This grill offers a perfect cooking size. The grill comes with a premium cart, including locking casters and wheels. This feature makes it easy to move and secure the grill in place. It's designed for convenience and stability. The Divide and Conquer flexible cooking system transforms the grill. This multi-level, half-moon design allows you to cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously. It's a versatile cooking tool. The control tower top vent maintains consistent air settings. It allows for precise airflow management, even when opening and closing the dome. You can smoke at 225°F or sear at 750°F with it. The air lift hinge significantly reduces dome weight. You can lift the grill dome with a single finger. This provides the most comfortable grilling experience. The amp firebox features a 6-piece design. This design eliminates breakage and increases grill efficiency. It's built for durability and performance. What we like? This grill's premium ceramic construction ensures even heat distribution, perfect for achieving that ideal sear. The innovative 2-tier Divide and Conquer system lets you cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously. If you're looking for a versatile grilling experience with precise temperature control and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. The neon green color was vibrant. The paint went on smoothly. It was easy to wash off. Number 4. Mysense Green Face and Body Paint. Introducing the Mysense Green Face and Body Paint. This vibrant green paint is perfect for a variety of occasions, from Halloween to St. Patrick's Day. It's designed to bring your creative visions to life. This professional-grade face paint is water-based and has a creamy texture. It provides full coverage and is ideal for creating detailed designs. The paint is easy to apply and offers a flawless finish. The pointed tip squeeze bottle allows for precise application. This feature makes it easy to create intricate designs. You'll have complete control over your makeup. Experience a smooth glide and intense color payoff. The paint adheres flawlessly to the skin and stays vibrant. It minimizes smudging, ensuring your look lasts. It's easy to remove with just water and mild soap. This non-toxic, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic paint is safe for both adults and children. There's no need for harsh removers. This paint is buildable and blendable, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Perfect for various events, from Halloween to festivals. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This face paint's water-based, cream texture provides full coverage and is easy to apply with its precise tip. It's also washable and safe for both adults and children. If you're planning intricate designs for Halloween or cosplay, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The neon green color was vibrant. It glows brightly under a black light. It is easy to apply and remove. Number 3. Mysense Light Green Face Body Hair Paint Stick. This light green paint stick is water-based and offers vibrant colors. It has a nice consistency and is easy to apply. You can use it for various occasions. It's ideal for Halloween special effects, cosplay makeup, and St. Patrick's Day. This product is designed for face, body, and hair, providing versatility for your creative looks. Experience a smooth and effortless application with this creamy body paint. It adheres flawlessly to the skin, ensuring vibrant and bold colors. The product delivers intense color payoff. Simply twist the stick and glide it over your hair strands. There's no need for brushes or complicated techniques. This non-damaging formula allows you to change your hair color without worry. It's easy to remove with water and mild soap. The product is non-toxic, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic, making it safe for both adults and children. Enjoy your creative makeup without any concerns. This paint stick is buildable and blendable, allowing you to layer colors and create unique shades. It's perfect for various events like Halloween, festivals, parties, and more, offering endless creative possibilities. What we like. This light green paint stick is designed for face, body, and even hair, offering a smooth and effortless glide. It's incredibly easy to use, allowing you to create temporary hair colors without damaging your hair. If you like experimenting with different looks for parties or events, you should definitely try it. What people say. The neon green color was very vibrant. It glows brightly under a black light. It is easy to apply and remove. Number 2. Moon Creations Green Face and Body Paint Stick. This face and body paint stick is perfect for anyone, from beginners to professionals. It's ready to use right away, making detailed designs simple and fun. Applying this crayon is super easy. It's sweat-proof and water-resistant, so it will last all day or night. Removing it is also simple with makeup wipes. This product meets all safety standards. It's compliant with EU, FDA, and Health Canada regulations. All dyes are tested, and it's free of parabens and SLS. The product is made in the UK. You can be assured of its quality and safety standards. Moon Creations never tests its products on animals. You can feel good about using this product. No water is needed. Just open it up and start creating your look. What we like. This body crayon is ready to apply straight to the face or body, making detailed designs a breeze. It's sweat-proof and water-resistant, ensuring your look lasts all day or night. If you are a beginner or looking for a quick and easy application, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The paint glows brightly under a black light. The color is a vibrant neon green. It is easy to apply and remove. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Introducing the Wall Pops Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of color and fun to any room. It's easy to use and will brighten up your space. These dots are peel and stick, making them incredibly easy to apply. Simply peel them off the sheet and stick them to your wall. It's that simple. Don't worry about making mistakes. These dots are repositionable, so you can move them around until you get the perfect look. It's designed for your convenience. This product is safe for your walls. It's always removable and leaves no sticky residue behind. You can change your decor without any damage. The dots stick to most smooth, flat surfaces. This allows you to decorate various areas. It's a versatile choice for your home decor. The kit comes on 4 sheets, each measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches. It includes a total of 59 pieces. You'll have plenty to create a beautiful design. What we like. These watercolor dots are peel and stick, repositionable, and safe for walls, leaving no sticky residue. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add a pop of color to your space, you should consider these. What people say. The paint glows brightly under a black light. The color is a vibrant neon green. It is easy to apply and remove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.